You don't like how that looks?
Yeah, it's all floppy.
So I'm here at Abercrombie and I'm looking for the black skirt. This is actually a skirt, but I'm gonna try it on and hopefully they have it in black so I can purchase it now. I'm gonna get it offline. If they don't have it here now, the girl's going to the back to check for me. But yeah, I'm gonna try this one on just in case. And then I'll have to order it online, but either way I'll know how it fits. So yeah, super cute. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. I have on a Jolie Noire t-shirt. It's our Butte Noire t-shirt, y'all. It is probably like one of the most relaxing, or comfortable rather, one of the most comfortable t-shirts that I own. And then I have my leggings on, and then I have on my foldy slides by Rome. Just got out early today to run some errands because, yeah, we wanted to get out early. Yeah. Normally we get out like at about 4 or 5 o'clock, and we love going to like walk around the mall to get extra steps in and stuff. And sometimes we don't really get a chance to do that because we are always leaving early, or late rather. We're always leaving late, and the mall closes early now. And so, yeah, we got out early, and it's truly yielded us better results than normal.
More productive.
Okay, all right. Is this going to be for here?
Cookie. It's probably the best one I've ever had. I think it has caramel in it. We love honey bacon. Like, this is part of the reason why we come. It's so amazing.
So yes, we're keeping them open.
Yes, we're the ones that's keeping them open.
What? Oh, we didn't see those the other night? You don't want who? Yeah, those are cute. Yeah, I like the black better.
So these are the men's. This shoe fits like a 9.
I like this. I like the all black.
I do too.
Very refreshing drink. Got boba pearls, lemonade. It's the summer berry refresher at Starbucks. Let me get you one.
What is it? What is it? Chicken salad. So we're at the mall and we're gonna go in. I've been looking for the, I think I told you guys before, the On Cloud sneakers. I think I want the Cloud Monsters or something else. I can't remember never remember the name of them. But I'm gonna go into Nordstrom and see if they have the ones that I saw online, because they're like purple and black and gray and stuff like that. And I've kind of rethought that I want a all black sneaker. I think I want something with a little bit of something else, but mostly black. So we'll see.
Thanks. I got it, thanks. So guys, I just got new bedding and I love my sheets. Oh my gosh. So my comforters are from West Elm. My the two like pillows there in the front, they're from Amazon. Well, no, the insert is from Pottery Barn, and the casing, if you will, is from Amazon, and it's by Jillian something. I forgot her last name, but her name is Jillian. I can tag everything below. But I love my bedding. The sheets are bamboo cooling sheets, and they're from a brand called LUXOME. I just did a brand collaboration with LUXOME. And oh my gosh, when I tell y'all I've been having some good sleep, I sweat at night because I sleep with my space heater on. And I also, just get a little overheated. And so I have to get up and turn it off. Well, my sheets usually have moisture in them because of my sweat. And then I have to do a bunch of washing and things like that to my my sheets because I'm always getting hot. Well, with these sheets, oh my gosh, these sheets don't get wet. They don't have any moisture. There's moisture wicking. And y'all, when I tell y'all I love these sheets, I mean it. They feel so good. Oh, they're so soft, y'all.
We all started working.
Cheap hot soup and probably the green salad.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the Caesar and the she crab. Hey guys, so we are here at one of our favorite places, South City Kitchen. Y'all, we had a taste for soup and salad today. Y'all, the food is so good. If you're ever in Buckhead, in Atlanta, Georgia, where? Atlanta. Then, if you're ever in Atlanta,
So guys, we're walking to Target. We are getting an alignment on our car at Firestone, and Target and Firestone are in the same block, I guess you could say. So we decided to get steps in because we need to get those in too. Because let's come over here. We didn't get steps in yesterday, and so we're doing that today. You cute. So I love these bags, laundry bags, because they keep all of your essentials separate from the rest of your wash, and so you just pull them out and hang all that stuff to dry or dry it separately. So I love that. But I normally get the ones from the laundress, and I think I'm gonna get those. They are more expensive than these. These are only $4 by Bright Room, but I think I'm gonna get the ones from laundress because they've lasted quite a long time. But it's just time to re-up on them, so I think I'm gonna leave these here and get the ones from the laundress, because the laundress is on LTK as well as Target, and I just like those better. So.
Can y'all see this? They can see it? Okay.
Not the bottom.
No, it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't matter. You don't see the bottom. So I have these white flowers. They're hydrangeas from Pottery Barn, and they came in a bundle. So I have 2 of them, and I think they were like, what, 70 something?
Yeah, for 2 bundles.
Yeah, for 2 bundles. And so we were like, you know what? It's probably best that I go ahead and get them now, since I'm doing this little project now. And so yeah, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna put them in this vase, and then I'm gonna put them on top of my dresser, and we'll see what happens. Look at that, please.
So like for my sweatshirts and stuff, put them in like these kind of baskets. So like imagine this being one side of my closet, right?
Okay. What's this?
It's like just a storage box, probably for like underwear or something like that. I wish they had this though in this size, because it's open at the top, and I could put this in my closet. I just throw it down for like sweatshirts and stuff like that.
So guys, here is the Titan and this peptide that I've been using on my neck that I showed y'all last time. Now, yes, it is $99, but when I tell y'all that the necklines on my neck are leaving, I mean that. Y'all, this stuff is the business.
I think I'm gonna get this. Courtney recommended this. She said, oh, it smells good. She said to use this, and then also I could use the Olaplex, which is like good for moisturizing. I'll try these.
And then there is Janae, Pattern Beauty, super cool. Yes.
Anything else for you?
No, that'll be all.
No problem. It's gonna be $13.93. We'll see you at the window.
Okay, thank you so much. Don't come over here, girl. Don't come over here.
I did with the salmon earlier in the week, so it's just.
So guys, I just finished washing my hair. I'm just kind of lazing around, and not really, you know, waiting for my hair to dry or anything, but just kind of sitting here because I have to film some content tomorrow, and so I have to wash my hair. I only wash my hair once a week, and after I start working out and stuff, I just let it do what it's gonna do. And so today I washed my hair, and you know, so now I have to get up and blow dry it in a minute. And I was just watching some YouTube, and because my feet are hurting, because we did a lot today, like working out, walking, all that stuff. So, but thank you so much, guys, for watching always, and for tuning in. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and make a comment, and share it with someone. Thanks, guys. Bye.